Imagine this. You spend over 4 hours filming the perfect YouTube Shorts video, and the moment you upload it, it gets stuck below 100 views. You listen to all the gurus. You follow the exact strategies to the T, but it still seems to not be working out for you. This is because you're doing it all wrong. In fact, I have the same issue until I tried these strategies that I'm about to show you. Hey, welcome back to Earning Edge Pro, and I'm going to show you the 4 exact strategies you can use right now to go viral with your YouTube Shorts videos for guaranteed growth and guaranteed subscribe drivers. So let's get into it. So strategy number 1, have an exceptional. Hook 1 for going viral with your YouTube Shorts videos is having an exceptional hook. Now, what does this mean? So for example, a hook would be, how I made $10,000 in one day. You would say that at the beginning of your video, or you would have it captioned in or subtitled in so people could see it when they're swiping through the Shorts feed. Another example would be, guess what's in this mystery box? And having that in text on your Shorts video, or saying it at the beginning so people watch through to see what's inside that mystery box. Those are just a few examples of hooks, but having a good hook will actually get the viewer to stay and watch for at least 3 to 5 seconds of your YouTube Shorts video. For example, have you ever seen someone on the side of the road protesting, screaming, and yelling, and you couldn't help yourself but read what was on their sign? Well, they hooked you. They got you to look and actually read what was on their sign. If they didn't hook you, you would have never looked in the first place. So a good hook is just the beginning of the puzzle. It's not guaranteed to make your YouTube Shorts video go viral because you will need edit the video to where you are. Strategy number 2. So strategy number 2 is to edit the video to where you're zooming in and zooming out. Now, people have short attention spans. In fact, the human attention span is less than 8 seconds, which is shorter than a goldfish. So to give you an example of how real this is, have you ever read a book? And when you're reading one page, you kind of lost your train of thought or lost where you were on that particular page. Well, that's because you have a short attention span and you had a different thought. It happens to the best of us, but how we can overcome this with our YouTube Shorts videos is by zooming in and out in order to overcome this issue on our YouTube Shorts videos. You want to change up the scene every 3 seconds, and we could do this by zooming in and out to get people hooked on our video. This will keep the viewer engaged on your YouTube Shorts videos for at least another 6 seconds after the hook. Keep videos less than 15 seconds long. So you're going to need strategy number 3 stacked on top of this. Strategy number 3 is to keep your videos less than 15 seconds long. Now, I've tested this on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, and for every video that got over 1 million views, the video was less than 15 seconds long. This simply relates to people not having a long enough attention span, but this gets them potentially to watch the video twice over. When this happens, your average view duration, or how long someone watches your video, goes over 100%, which is key to going viral with YouTube Shorts. Your average view duration must be above 100. And this can almost guarantee virality. But you need strategy number 4 in order to stack the pieces together and guarantee virality on your YouTube Shorts videos. Leave the best content for the last 2 seconds. Strategy number 4 is leaving the best content for the last 2 seconds of the video. Let me show you why. Have you ever caught yourself watching a video till the very end? Because the creator saved the best for last, kind of like how I'm doing to you right now. Well, this is exactly what you want to do in your Shorts videos. The reason you want to keep the best content at the last 2 seconds is to get the viewer to potentially watch it over again, to pause just in case they missed that content, or to watch it over again because they want to see that best content over again. And this will guarantee virality 100% now. If you follow these exact 4 strategies, you're guaranteed to go viral on YouTube Shorts. If you want to earn money watching videos as a side hustle, then click this video right over here. I'll see you in this video right now.